Could a simple pedal cover truly transform your driving experience and safety? This accessory for VW and Skoda vehicles promises just that, and it's something many drivers might overlook. We're talking about the brake foot pedal pad, specifically for the VW and Skoda Octavia A5 models from 2010 to 2014, designed for left-hand drive cars. First impressions matter, and right out of the box, the premium construction of these pedal covers is evident. They're crafted from a high-quality aluminum alloy, which immediately gives them a substantial, durable feel. But it's not just about the metal. The black rubber inserts are key here. These aren't just for show, they're strategically placed to provide maximum grip. Think about those rainy days, or when your shoes are a bit damp. That's where the non-slip design truly shines. The rubberized strips offer excellent traction, enhancing both driving safety and control, which is a huge plus in any weather condition. It's a subtle upgrade that makes a noticeable difference in how connected you feel to your car. Installation is often a pain point with car accessories, but this product claims to be easy. And honestly, it lives up to that. The set includes covers for both the brake and gas pedals, and they're designed to attach securely to your existing pedals. You won't need a garage full of tools or hours of YouTube tutorials. It's a straightforward process that most people can handle themselves, which is always appreciated. No one wants a complicated DIY project just to upgrade their pedals. Beyond the practical benefits, let's talk aesthetics. The stylish appearance is definitely a highlight. The sleek aluminum finish, complemented by those black rubber accents, instantly adds a sporty, modern look to your vehicle's interior. It's a small detail, but it elevates the cabin's feel, making it look more refined and purposeful. It's like giving your car's footwell a mini makeover without breaking the bank. This isn't just about functionality, it's about enhancing the overall driving environment. So what's the verdict? For drivers of compatible VW and Skoda models looking for an affordable yet impactful upgrade, these pedal covers are a fantastic choice. They deliver on their promises of enhanced grip, improved safety, easy installation, and a significant boost in interior style. It's a small investment that pays off in both confidence and aesthetics every time you get behind the wheel.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.